under the white canopy. We do have rifles. We have raffles. It's been a long day, y'all. And we are raffling off such items as this. And items as these, courtesy of Belletti Bikes. I don't have no Vanna White, I gotta do all this myself. All right, a little housekeeping here. All right. I want to see if you've been paying attention to me all day. Who is the sponsor of Jams 21? One more time. Who is the sponsor of Jams 21? Folks, I'm going to help you out. And y'all need to put this in your phone. Cultural Collaborative Jamaica. Write down this website. Put this in your phone. If you want to know what's going on next year at Jams, you want to know what's going on with Cultural Collaborative throughout the year, here's the website. You ready? www.go2ccj.org. So that's go2ccj.org. Put that, we have an app, you can download the app. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. I'm getting ready to give away some bikes and some other scooters and stuff like that. But you need to know what's going on. Okay, and this is how you find out. If you're a performer and you'd like to perform, an opportunity to audition to perform at Jam, you need to go to the website, okay? I'm not gonna put you on stage. When you show up at Jams next year, you gotta go through the process like everybody else, all right? So, one more time, who's the sponsor of Jams? Very good over here. Let's see if this side can get it. Who's the sponsor of Jams? Cultural Collaborative Jamaica. All right, one more time, repeat after me. Cultural Collaborative Jamaica. Repeat after me, the website is www.go2ccj.org. Thank you, my brother. They're twins, they're 2 years apart. Let me tell you about some of the other sponsors as you get your raffles. The raffles are available under the canopy, the white canopy. The raffles are available there. All right, so some of our sponsors are Yelp, of course, Belletti Bikes, as you see these bikes and scooters up here, Health Plus, Community Board 12, Zara, MoneyGram, Money Transfer, Emblem Health, Zara Luxury Homes, Times, Ledger, Newspaper, the National Guard, Visiting News Service of New York, Raleigh Winds, the YMCA, Encounters in Black Traditions, QPTV, yours truly, the Craig Crawford Players, Jamaica Multiplex Cinemas, Choice Health Plans, the 103rd Precinct, NYPD, and 4T Entertainment. All right, those are some of our sponsors. Have you had a great time today at Jams? That's about 10 of y'all. Have you had a great time at Jams yesterday and today? All right. Did I say the raffles are not free? Did I say that? Because there wouldn't be a raffle if they're free. I'd just be giving the stuff away. The raffles are $5, okay? So if you want to win a $100 bike, you need to buy a $5 raffle. Sounds like you got the advantage, okay? for your $5 raffle, there is an opportunity to win a trip to Cancun. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ooh. So, you can win a trip to Cancun for your $5 raffle. You can win a bicycle for your $5 raffle. You can win one of 4 scooters for a raffle. And we've got other things here. Let me take some of these things out. If you got the Rolls Royce, we'll offer it up. We have some helmets to go with the scooters. Y'all should be under that tent buying your raffles right now because I'm going to announce the winners momentarily. Play my horn. All right. Are you getting your raffles? Get your raffles, because I'm going to be calling the numbers, and somebody's going to walk away happy, even happier, should I say. Because we had a great time here at Jams, and we've had a wonderful time all day hanging out with DJ Tony Tone from Hot 97. And his lovely wife over there, Aranda. How are you, Aranda? Good to see you. Your man worked hard today. All right, all right. We'd like to thank our sound company, ADG, for doing a fantastic job. Give it up for the ADG sound company. Born and raised right here in Queens. All right, I like the brothers down there doing their thing. Soul Train line, y'all. Uh-oh, it's getting bigger already. Now it's 3. Come on, get out there. While they're buying their raffle tickets, you might as well dance to the sounds of DJ Tony Tone, New York's blessed kept secret. Are y'all buying your raffles? Come on, get your raffles right over here. Raffles are only $5. This bicycle alone itself is worth about $150. So you can get it for a $5 raffle. And we got scooters here that we're raffling away. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know this is more than $5 as well. So